In a perfect world, buying things should be easy. Consumer pays the merchant, merchant provides the product. Simple. However, this is not a perfect world, and this process is a lot more complicated. There are many people and institutions involved in one single payment transaction, and fraudsters are busy trying to disrupt it. This can all happen in less than a second. AI has developed an end-to-end solution that prevents fraud throughout the transaction journey with a suite of products that simply stop fraud. Available as a complete enterprise solution or modular to complement other fraud prevention platforms. At the heart of our enterprise solution is AI's world-leading rules engine, RiskNet, which is complemented by smart modules that utilize the latest machine learning techniques and technology. Let's have a closer look at RiskNet. RiskNet is a sophisticated, self-service rules engine that has been developed to meet the exacting needs of acquirers, card issuers, and processors in a near real-time and real-time environment. AI's smart modules integrate with RiskNet, which enable rapid response to new fraud trends and patterns, whilst taking the weight off fraud prevention analysts and operators. SmartRule is AI's self-service automated rule generation tool, simple to deploy and works with any fraud platform, producing highly effective rule sets in no time. The latest machine learning techniques and technology. Little or no front-end analytics required. Plain English rule set output injected into the fraud system. High detection rates and low false positives, selectable to meet user KPIs and manage team loading. And it's a reusable asset that can create rules for other business lines, not just fraud. SmartScore is a high-performance self-service neural model builder. Creates multiple neural models in hours or days, not weeks or months. Complements existing fraud systems and improves fraud detection rates whilst reducing false positives and increasing acceptance rates. These two products are at the heart of what makes AI unique. They represent the very core of AI's proposition and combined with the power of RiskNet, helps safeguard the transaction throughout its entire journey, protecting merchants, gateways, acquirers and issuers from the liabilities associated with payment fraud. Let's go back to our consumer. She is buying airline tickets. Because of the many platforms involved in the online journey, the merchant will usually send this transaction to a payment gateway. As part of the end-to-end solution, AI provides AI Gateway, a white-label omni-channel payment gateway solution for all business types and sizes. It's a high-performance, high-availability gateway that serves all channels, supporting multiple payment and multiple acquirer access. AI Gateway uses the power of RiskNet and the smart modules to assess the transaction as good or bad. This process takes just a few milliseconds. Transactions are then routed by the AI Gateway to the merchant's acquirer of choice. The acquirer screens the transaction to verify if the merchant is safe, using tools such as RiskNet Acquirer, complemented by the smart modules. The acquirer then routes the transaction to the consumer's card issuing bank. This could be by card schemes such as Visa, MasterCard, and China Union Pay. The issuer screens the transaction against rule sets to verify if it is a good transaction or not, using tools such as RiskNet Issuer, complemented by the smart modules. If the transaction gets the red light, the option is available to automatically alert the consumer using AI's Smart Alert technology. This advises the consumer that a transaction is taking place on their card. But that's not the end of the transaction process. AI services continue to work in the background. For suspicious and fraudulent transactions, cases can be opened in AI's Smart Case to store all digital assets and workflow data associated with a case. It assists investigation and ultimately helps prosecute fraudsters. Data from the transaction process is stored within our extensive data ocean for further analytical review using Smart Intelligence, AI's business information tool. Smart Intelligence feeds the machine learning capability of SmartScore and SmartRule, as well as providing real-time dashboard views and reporting with dynamic drill down, enabling deeper understanding of fraud trends and business opportunities. Simply stop fraud with AI.